So let's say we have this data set and we want to calculate the grades, right, for this student. We can use what we call the nested if formula, where we nest if formula. We have more than one ifs based on the conditions we want to, the number of conditions we want to apply. All right. So let's begin. We want to, you'll know the grades now from A, B, C to, let's say, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So we say equal to if, we open the bracket. So the logical test here will be if this, which is B, right? If B5, right, is greater than, I think A starts from 70, right? Is it greater than 70? So, comma, so we say that should be A, right? Okay. Then, comma, we say another if, right? Another if B5 is greater than B should be 60, greater than 60, right? We'll say let it be B, okay? Then comma, another if, right? If B5 is greater than 50, let it be C, let it be, say C, the grade C. Then if B5 is greater than 40, yeah, it's greater than 40, let it be D. All right, I think so. Greater than 40, let it be D, right? Comma. Then we say if B5 is greater than 30, let it be E. Greater than 30, let it be E. So now for the last one, we won't say if anymore. We'll just say else. So value is false, right? We'll say else by that comma. We'll say let it be F. So if it's less than 20 thereabout, less than 30 thereabouts, it will be F. So now you see it's nested because we have how many ifs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we have to close with 5 brackets. Okay, we'll have to close with 5 brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We close with 5 brackets. If we don't, it won't be correct. And after that, we said enter. You see, as you say enter, it says B. It says B for agricultural science because B is 65. And I would like you to remember this, that we started from the highest to the lowest and not from the lowest to the highest. Because see what happens, from the highest to the lowest, we say if it's greater than 70, right, it should be A. But if it's greater than 60, it should be B. So what this calculation does is that it calculates from between 60 to 70, okay, 60 to 70, all right? So now, if from 70 at exact 70 is A, we will not say greater than 70, because what if it's 70? It won't be A, right? So that is where you say equal to, greater than or equal to 70. So let's correct this now. Greater than or equal to 60, sorry. Greater than or equals to 50 because we are starting at the margin. Greater than or equal to 40. Greater than or equal to 30, okay? So it says it's B, all right? So we could just autofill this, all right, and see how this works, okay? And you see, right, we have 78 is A, 98 is A, 35 is E, because we'll say if is greater than or equal to 30, it should be E. Then we have 55C, we have 68B, A, and C. So if, for instance, I change this 56 to 20, you see that it automatically be F, right? So that is one way we could use the nested if formula.